So thank you so much for joining us. We're going to be starting our program. I'm Kiran Siddiqui, the CEO of Hamdard Health Alliance. And on behalf of the board of directors, my amazing staff, and myself, I welcome you to the formal inauguration of Hamdard's Rogers Park newly renovated clinic. It was a project that tested our patience and endurance. And today we celebrate our expanded clinic that will serve more community members in both medical and mental health services. And as we all know, and as you know, 1 in 9 Illinoisans receive their health care in a community health center such as Hamdard, which translates to over 1.5 million people in Illinois. Over 3 decades ago, Hamdard, which means one who empathizes, was founded as a proactive response to the war in Eastern Europe in the 90s. Among the many safety net services we started, we quickly became a beacon of providing specialized mental health services. And we are grateful to the city of Chicago to fund our mental health program. Over 3 decades ago, we started with a few dozen patients and a few employees. And today we serve over 5,000 patients for over 20,000 visits per year. Many things may have changed over the last 3 decades, but Hamdard's patient promise remains the same: to provide hope, help, and healing. Today also marks the first time Hamdard is hosting a community iftar. An iftar marks the completion of a fast during the month of Ramadan. Muslims across the world observe this. It is a time of gratitude and a time of reflection. Hamdard has long held traditions and rituals of our patients close to our heart, and today we will honor that rich tradition of breaking fast together as a community. We are so grateful, overwhelmingly grateful, and as I see the sea of faces here with friends and supporters and community members, we are so grateful, calling you our friends. And we have a very special friend with us today, our Mayor Johnson, who's going to be part of our celebration. And thank you for your friendship, thank you for your support. And now please help me welcoming the mayor.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Okay, it sounds like you all are hungry. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
All right, thank you, Karen, for that introduction and your leadership here at Hamdard Health Alliance. It is such an honor to serve in this capacity as mayor of the city of Chicago, especially as we thank the great work that is occurring at Hamdard Health. The entire team and all of the work that you do, including the board members, your welcoming as well as your love and generosity is definitely felt. And I've always wanted theme music. Just got to cue it a little bit earlier next time. And finally, I do want to thank the Illinois Primary Healthcare Association and President Ali Idowu. Thank you all again for your commitment to health and the wholeness of our health. I'm honored to join you all during this holy month of Ramadan to recognize and celebrate the critical work of Hamdard Health and the work that it does to provide culturally responsive health care, the work that it provides to include mental health services, and particularly the work that it provides on the north side of the city of Chicago and our immigrant community. One of the core priorities of my administration is mental health. It is personal to me. Investing in mental health is an endeavor that is truly near and dear to my heart. My older brother, who was my hero, unfortunately had untreated trauma and died addicted and unhoused. And so I'm deeply grateful to see your commitment to providing these services and ensuring that people are getting the care that they need, and to make sure that they get it in a way that reflects the cultural competency of mental health. Because it's not just so much getting them the help that they need, it's how they need the help. And Hamdard Health has partnered with Apnagar for the past 5 years to leverage the city funds to expand behavioral health services through the Chicago Department of Public Health, its mental health equity initiative. And Apnagar and Hamdard Health have demonstrated the power of partnerships ensuring that we are offering high-quality, trauma-informed, integrated mental health services and support for individuals and families who are experiencing even gender-based violence. Importantly, this care is offered in multiple languages. Karen shared with me that there are well over 50 languages that are spoken in this community, and that this institution has at least 15 different languages that are spoken here. That type of cultural response is why we truly are the global capital of the world. And your work is undoubtedly making the city a much stronger, safer, a better, and a more resilient place for everyone to live, work, and of course thrive. Again, Humdard is an important partner in our city's healthcare safety net. And I'm thrilled to join you all in celebrating this incredible expansion today. Thank you all for being such a great partner and an advocate to provide quality services. And thank you for making it very clear that you need more support from the city of Chicago by walking me past that old, wonderful, historic elevator. It's a very clever way of saying, Mr. Mayor, we need more from you. So on behalf of the city of Chicago, here's to this great expansion, and here's to an inevitable new elevator. Thank you all. Ramadan Mubarak.
Welcome to the open house for the clinic, Hamdard Healthcare. Welcome to the mayor of the city of Chicago, Mayor Brandon Johnson. We're very honored to have you in our neighborhood. CEO Siddiqui, it's always great, and you're wonderful. You're all bringing a benefit to our community that we sorely need. So as president of the Rogers Park Chamber of Commerce with the administrator of the Rogers Park Chamber of Commerce, Trudy Leong, I say you may cut the ribbon. Good job. Thank you, everyone.